The national average for a gallon of gasoline in this country is now north of $4 a gallon, an important benchmark, raising the question of just how high will prices go. The war in Iran continues, with President Donald Trump threatening to blow up all of Iran's oil wells and electricity plants unless a deal is soon reached. The latest threat of escalation bringing with it rising oil prices. Crude, the international benchmark, trading around 55% higher in March, the biggest one-month increase ever. On Monday, the U.S.'s benchmark for oil, the West Texas Intermediate, traded above $100 a barrel for the first time since 2022. All of this means gas prices may not have hit its ceiling, especially with the president suggesting strikes on critical Iranian oil sites remain a possibility. The record high for a national average gallon of gasoline in the U.S. is just over $5, set in 2022. One potential military site that President Trump could soon order in operation is Kharg Island, located about 20 miles off the coast of mainland Iran. If the U.S. military would occupy that island, it would likely further disrupt energy markets since it's a main transportation point for Iranian oil. European leaders are meeting Tuesday to further discuss options. Slovenia has already introduced fuel rationing. Spain recently approved an emergency aid package which cut taxes on electricity and gas. In the U.S., more governors and lawmakers continue to debate potential gas tax holidays to provide some relief. And in communities in the U.S. that depend on energy companies and oil for jobs, higher oil prices may mean more jobs or higher wages, even if it comes with higher gas prices. Joe St. George, Scripps News Group, Washington.
And looking at what we can expect closer to home as the uncertainty in the Middle East is driving up oil prices, and that's impacting how much we are paying for gas. This morning, Virginians are paying an average of $3.88 a gallon. In Hampton Roads, it's $3.94, so a bit higher. I drove into work and saw one at $3.99, so we are right at that $4 mark. In North Carolina, neighbors are getting a slight break at $3.75.
And global jet fuel prices have more than doubled since the Iran war began. That's according to info from the International Air Transport Association. The association's jet fuel price monitor for last week shows worldwide average jet fuel prices now sit at 104% above where they were just last month. They're also selling an average of $4.65 a gallon. Worldwide airlines have been responding to the increased fuel cost by upping their prices through surcharges and reviewing flight routes.